Meridian Solid Surface is crafted to last, and that's why it's chosen by those that know.
My name is Sam Binkley. I'm an architect by trade. I've been with Wake Forest University for about 8 years. I am a project manager in planning and construction in the facilities team. We use Meridian Solid Surface products in our restrooms and bathrooms for vanities and for shower compartments. We like to use the solid panels for the walls of our showers as well as the shower bases and the accessories that go along with that. We use the product in both new and renovation. It works in both cases in terms of ease of installation and availability of materials in the time frames that are required. Sometimes when we're doing a renovation project, we encounter walls that aren't necessarily plumb and square. And so being able to modify the panels, to scribe the panels in order to fit those type scenarios is very helpful. We can order exact size material that eliminates a lot of waste that you might purchase and then is discarded. We try to be sustainable so that we don't contribute a lot to the landfills. At the same time, it's flexible so that we can modify it if needed. We like a consistency of materials from one res hall to another. Being able to use the same color and have that color choice available year after year has been a bonus. The advantage on the Wake Forest side is the maintenance of the product is very good. The look of the product is very good, the aesthetic, we like that. What you're looking at here, this is a standard shower, whereas what you're looking at on the right here is a transfer shower. The unique thing about this one is it has the return curb. Sometimes when you have the full 5 feet of the shower opened, you have a lot of water that migrates out. But with the return curb, we started doing that. It has a thin wall, and that helps deflect some of the water from coming out into the space. You see in the outer area, which is a little changing area, we have the wide format tile. But beyond that, the shower stall, it goes from the shower pan, which is a Meridian product, all the way up to the ceiling with the 3 wall panels. And of course, they drill the holes for the handle and the shower head. And then you can see the beveled corner strips on the back 2 corners that are designed to close the gap, and we use a clear sealant along the edges of those. So here we have a student lounge, and we've used the Solid Surface Meridian product for the sink in the kitchen area, and we used it as a backsplash. After this project, we started extending the backsplash all the way up to the soffit. It just has a nice cleaner look, but you can see we extended it up all the way up behind the oven to the bottom of the cabinet. I would recommend to other clients that are looking to use this material, particularly in restrooms, that it has functioned very well for Wake Forest. It's tried and true. We've used it over and over for at least 8 projects, and I find that our folks that maintain it on a day-to-day basis with the lifestyle of college students find it easy to maintain and to keep looking clean.
Meridian Solid Surface, chosen by those that know. Exclusively manufactured in the USA by Tower Industries and available nationwide.